Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change side button on Samsung. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to change side button on your Samsung phone, first, go ahead and press and hold the power button. Then it should say side button settings. Now, go ahead and click on that. However, if side button settings is missing on your Samsung phone, just go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings, scroll down, locate and click on advanced features. So just scroll down and click on advanced features. Under advanced features, you'll see your side button. Click on it. Now, if double press is disabled, go ahead and turn it on. Then click on double press. And now go ahead, select any application you want to open using double press on your Samsung phone. Let's say you want to open flashlight. Then if you double press the power button, you should see your flashlight turn on. If you double press again, you should see it turn off. That's one. Again, if you want your side button or power button to pop the power menu, all you need to do is go ahead, click on long press. And then if this is set to BSB or digital assistant, just go ahead and set this to power button. And once you select the power menu, then you are good. Now, when next you want to use your side button, you can either press it and hold to pop the power off menu or double press to open the selected application. And that's it. So that's exactly how to change side button on Samsung. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.